Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I request everyone to sit with the camera on, please. Vedant, turn on your camera, please. Okay. Now, everyone, please take out your maths notebook. Take out your maths notebook. As you all know that yesterday we were doing about the magic triangles. We have started just the magic triangles, right? And I told you I will continue in the next class. So today also we will do about the magic triangles.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I ask something?
Yes, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. Then I have made. Can we use if we skip one number, like I have written 1 to 10, and we need 9 numbers. Then if I skip 2 and 3, and I write 1, 4, 6, 5 like that, so is it okay or it's wrong?
See, the rule is given to you, use 1 to 9 numbers or 1 to 10 numbers, whatever is given to you, है ना? जो भी आपको information given होगी, suppose here the information given that use 1 to 10 numbers means use. Kashmi, wait a minute. Mute yourself, please. Anya, mute and lower down your hand, please. Okay, Manya, if it is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, these numbers you can use. Okay, and this is the triangle, and these are the circles given. So now check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers you need to fill from 1 to 10. Okay, from 1 to 10 numbers, any numbers you can fill here, and the sum total of all the sides should come 15. ठीक है, हर लाइन का टोटल 15 आना चाहिए. Right? So what you do, you can start with any of the circles. Suppose आप ये fill कर रहे हैं, either ये any circle. Okay, first if you are writing 5 here, so if you are writing 5 here and the rule is saying do not repeat any number, ये सब रूल्स पे गिवन होता है कि आपको रूल क्या गिवन है. डू नॉट रिपीट एनी नंबर. So 5 is done. So to make 15 of this line, what other two numbers you can write here to make the 15?
Ma'am, 6 and 4.
6 and 8.
6 and 4. Right? So your 5 is done, your 6 is done, and your 4 is done. Now you will not write these three numbers in the another three blocks. Now which two numbers we can write so that this total also should come 15?
Ma'am, 7 and 8.
7 and 3.
Ma'am, 7 and
7 and
3.
So 7 and 3 is done. Okay. Now 4 is done, 3 is done. What should I write here? 8. So now you can check, we have used these numbers, we have not repeated the number, and our total of the line is coming 15. Are you clear, Banya, now?
Yes, ma'am.
You can write whatever the instructions given to you, you need to follow that instructions and the rules. जो भी given होता है question में. Now take out your notebook, students, and write the heading magic triangles. I'm going to draw a few triangles here on the board. And with the rules, you need to follow the rule and start doing in your notebooks. The rule is question number 1. Fill in the missing circles. Fill in the missing circles of the triangle from the set of the numbers, from the set of given numbers, the numbers on each side of the triangle.
Ma'am, your screen is blur.
Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is really blur.
Okay, wait a minute.
We cannot see anything.
My dear students, wait a minute. Let me connect with the another device.
Ma'am, now we can see.
Yes, now we can see.
Now it's coming.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, it's not coming. Now it is gone. At the first we Moog said that it is coming, then it was coming. Now it is not coming.
Now also it is coming only.
No problem. Let me on with. Now it's coming.
No.
Ma'am, it is coming.
No.
Yeah.
Ma'am, it is coming.
Okay. Stop. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. It will come now, definitely. Viva, any problem you're facing?
I cannot see it. It's blurred to me.
Log out and log in again.
Okay.
To any other child, any problem?
Ma'am, I can also not see.
Log out and log in again.
Ma'am, I can see it, but it's half. Ma'am.
Yes, Anne.
I can see it, but it's showing half.
Now please check.
Yes, ma'am.
Now coming.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is coming. Ma'am, what is after from the set of?
Okay, I am going to present my screen. If you're not able to write from the board, I'm going to present my screen. Please write from the worksheet. Is this visible to you all, the worksheet?
Yes.
Okay. Are you able to write this question? Fill in the missing circles of the triangle from the set of given numbers. The numbers on each side of the triangle must add up to get the number in the center. Please write till here, till the center, then I will explain you the triangles. Now it's clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please start writing. And then I will explain you the meaning of this question.
I'm done.
Done? Draw the first figure, A1, and write these numbers 9, 8, 7, 13. And draw the first triangle. Put the circles right in the middle, 20. A, B, C, all the three, please copy it down in your notebooks and then I will explain you how to do this. A, B, and C. Done, everyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Complete it fast. At least in a page, only 2 will come, not more than 2. Keep your work neat. Draw only 2 triangles in your notebook on one page.
I've done the question, so I can draw the triangle.
Yes, start drawing the triangles A, B, C, D, E, F.
Ma'am, I can draw with pencil or pen.
Pencil only. Pencil and scale. Use pencil and scale for any diagrams in the maths.
Ma'am, but I have using the pen.
My dear, for one sum it's okay. Draw the other sums with the pencil.
Okay, ma'am. Only one sum I have used.
Yes. Use pencil and start drawing A, B, C, D, E, F, and then I will explain you how to do this.
Ma'am, we have to write the numbers and we have to use
whatever is written here, you have to write the numbers, you have to write the given numbers, you have to write the center number, everything the way it is showing on the sheet.
We have to only the triangle and the circle with the pencil and scale.
Numbers also with the pencil. Do it with the pencil. Because it's a trial and error करेंगे ना, इसमें try करेंगे, so do it with the pencil, complete sum.
Ma'am, I can write that 9, 8, 7, 13 from...
I will not repeat many times the same thing. Please pay attention in the class. As I told, whatever is written here, write everything. Do all the 6 sums A, B, C, D, E, and F. Draw them, write the numbers, write the middle number, be ready.
Ma'am?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, that you have shown that picture, it is just like factors.
Yeah, but right now you are not aware about the factors, no, students?
Ma'am, I know about the factors.
But these are not factors. This is the new different concept.
Okay. Ma'am, but it is just like factors only.
Okay, don't get yourself confused right now here. Please start writing. Done?
No, ma'am, I am drawing the third one.
Please do fast.
Ma'am, the numbers inside the circles we have to
write that also. Pencil or pen? Yes, pencil. Everything with the pencil. Let me take the attendance for a minute and then I will explain you again, show you the screen again. Done, students?
No, ma'am.
Be little fast, otherwise the whole period will go in copy down the sums only.
Ma'am, how many sums we have to write?
How many there are there on the screen?
Done, ma'am. I can see till F.
Yeah, that much only.
Ma'am, we have to send this also.
No, this is classwork. This we will discuss in the class. Okay, now I'm going to stop the presentation. If you have done 3, it's okay. Then I will, after explanation, I will present my screen again. Okay. If you have done 2 or 3, it's okay, because let me explain the concept. Then you can do after this. Now, Nishwa, lower down your hand, please.
I know how to do. I can do.
No, let me explain to the everyone. Then I will ask from you all. Lower down your hand, please, Nishwa. Now, first one is, look at my board, please, everyone. I hope board is visible to you all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are learning about the magic triangles as we have discussed. The first sum is that you need to use these numbers 9, 8, 7 and 13. And the triangle is, there are 6 blocks which you need to fill. Out of the 6 blocks, 2 are already filled. There is 4, here is 3. So now if you can see, what you can see, students, and the total is written 20. Till here everyone is clear? Stop writing in your notebooks. Pay attention here on the board. How many blocks which are not filled? How many circles which are not filled?
4.
How many numbers you have to fill? How many numbers are given to you? 4. So these 4 numbers are matched. कि खाली नंबर बॉक्सेस कितने हैं? 4. नंबर्स भी आपके पास कितने हैं? 4. पर ये नहीं है कि 9 को उठा के यहाँ रख दिया, 8 को उठा के यहाँ रख दिया, which will be wrong. Method is saying that use these 4 numbers, fill them in the 4 empty circles. But how you are going to fill them? Your total of this line should come 20, which is written in the circle. जो बीच में लिखा हुआ है 20, आपका इस लाइन का टोटल 20 आना चाहिए, इस लाइन का नंबर भी 20 आना चाहिए और इस लाइन का नंबर भी 20 आना चाहिए. सो अब इसका ट्रिक क्या है? व्हाट इज द ट्रिक बिहाइंड दिस? जहां पर मैक्सिमम नंबर्स आपके पास ऑलरेडी गिवन है, राइट, 2 नंबर्स ऑलरेडी गिवन है, आपको एक ही फिल करना है, तो बेटर यू फिल दिस लाइन फर्स्ट. क्लियर? So 4 plus 3 is
7.
आपके पास है, तो 20 बनाने के लिए which number I will write?
13.
So we cut the 13 हमने fill कर दिया, right? So this line is done. Now 3 numbers are left and 3 blocks are left. Now 4 is here, right? So what you are going to fill in these 2 numbers so that you can get the 20?
7 and 9. 7
I will write here and 9 I will write here.
No, ma'am. 9 will be up and the 7 will be down.
9 and 7 like this?
Yes, ma'am.
9 plus 7 is 16 plus 4 is 20. तो ये भी हो गया. Now the leftover is 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17 plus 3 is 20. Children, why I have not written 9 here and the 7 here? Because यहाँ पर फिर हम 8 लिखते तो इस लाइन का टोटल 20 नहीं आता. That is the reason we have changed their places, written the 7 here and the 9 here. So ये लाइन का टोटल भी मैच हो गया और ये लाइन का टोटल भी मैच हो गया. Are you all clear with this? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do it in your notebooks now. Fill the numbers. Then I will do the second one. Is there any problem to any child?
Ma'am, I've filled the numbers.
Kevan, I am speaking to you. Please don't leave the class. Don't leave the class. I have noted that you are not writing anything in the class. Can you show me your notebook, please?
Yes.
Very good, Ashika. Very good.
Okay. Have you completed the first one?
Yes, ma'am.
No, you are not written. So please complete the first one. No, bacha. Aradhya, mute your mic, please. As you know, the background voices are coming. So please, unnecessary, don't turn on your mic. Complete the students and then I will move to the next.
Ma'am.
Yes, Anne.
Ma'am, can you say the last triangles to that?
But why should I say when I explain? When I already explain you, then why should I say the numbers? Please write. And turn on your camera, please. Your camera is off. Bhavya Sagar, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you show me your notebook? Show me your notebook, Bhavya. Don't leave the class. Show me your notebook.
What, ma'am?
Show me your notebook. My dear, wow, excellent. Then now he is going to take the notebook. What you have done 20 minutes, Bhavya? Can you please talk to me, Bhavya? What you have done in last 20 minutes? Tell me, stay in the class. I want to talk to your parents. Dhyan Patel, show me your notebook.
Yes, ma'am.
Divit, show me your notebook.
Yes,
Dhyan,
ma'am.
mute your mic, please. Nishwa, show me your notebook. Bhavya, you're still doing games and all, no? At the back?
No, ma'am.
Nishwa, your triangle is not proper triangle. It's untidy.
I can draw again, ma'am.
Please. Rajvi Lahoti, show me your notebook. Okay, I'm going to erase this now. We'll explain you the next sum. Everyone is clear with this magic triangle?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now
Yes,
the B sum. B is giving you the 4 different numbers. And then the triangle is like this. Same 6 circles. But here it is, the total should come 25. And here it is given 12. And here it is given 8. So 12 and 8, the 2 numbers are already given to you. But now they have given you 4 different numbers which you need to fill the 4 circles. So again, I told you now 12 is here. So what 2 numbers you can fill here?
Ma'am, 7 and 6.
7 and 6. If I do the total is 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14, 15 and yes, 25. Now 7 and 6 is done. So now 2 numbers are already here. We can fill this third number. 6 and 8. 6 plus 6 is 12, 13, 14. 14 is already done. So what should we fill here?
Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am, 10. Ma'am, 10.
No, but 10 karenge to it will be 24 and we need the 25.
Ma'am, 4. 10,
but we will.
Can we do it in this way, 7 and 6?
Yes,
Can we do it this way so that the total should come 7 plus 7, 14? Now we can write the 10 here. And 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 22. And 22 plus, if I will write 4 here, then it will be 26.
Yes.
Tell me then.
Ma'am, if we change the 4 number, write 3 number, so can it be done? It can be done.
We cannot change, but I think let me check the sum whether they have given the right numbers or not. Okay. Because we cannot change the numbers. Numbers, if they are given, then we need to fill that numbers only. हमको वही fill करने होते हैं. We cannot change. Okay, but let me check the total of these numbers. Can we fill 10 here and 4 here? 10, 20, 24, 25, 26. Then also it is coming 26. And 7. Better we are changing here 3. But we cannot change according to the rule. But right now, maybe there is some mistake in the sum, so we are changing it with the 3. Clear, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
But in exam or in a worksheet, you are not supposed to change the numbers. You are allowed to use the same numbers. Maybe there is a printing mistake, so we can, right now we are changing, but you are not, there is no rule to change. They have given you the rule, you have to follow the same rule. Clear? Can I go to the next sum?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Can I erase it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
See, you need to fill these 4 numbers: 16, 12, 3, 7. Only 14 and 5 is given. So now out of the given numbers, fill the numbers and tell me. First, you fill this line. Tell me how to get the total 23 in this line.
Hello, ma'am. We will add 16. No.
Tell me this line.
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am.
You write 16 and 3 here. 4, 16 and 3. It will be 23.
It is 14, bacha.
Ma'am, this is the C sum from the worksheet, right, ma'am?
Yes, yes.
Because I think.
So what 2 numbers from out of the given numbers you will write here to, so that the total will come 23. Do with the pencil. It's a trial and error method. Do with the pencil. Again, I'm telling you.
Ma'am, after 7 it can be 3.
After 7 it can be 3. If then it is to 24.
Ma'am,
I
have done the circles out of the triangle, but where it should be, I've done there. It is okay because it is not looking good when I am circling in the triangle.
Do it again then.
I've done like this.
Draw it neatly after the class.
See, like this I have done.
But it is with the pencil, no? You can erase and draw a circle. आप erase करके यहाँ पे एक circle बना सकते हैं ना? That's the reason I told you to draw with the pencil, कि आप erase करके कर सकते हैं उसको neatly.
I've drawn with the pencil only.
Now tell me, students. Okay, Vihan. We talk a lot in the class, then we don't get time for the explanation. So please tell me which 2 numbers I will write, students, to get 23. Think and tell me. Take your time.
Ma'am, write 3.
Here.
Ma'am, you're stuck. Now you're not stuck, but your screen is blurred.
Okay, it will come. Give me answer fast, students.
Ma'am, how will it happen? 14 plus 12 will be next, then 7 and 3 will add, it not happen.
Okay, can we do this line first?
Yes.
Any line you can do, solve it and then tell me. 14 is here. What we will write here? What we will write here? So make 23.
Ma'am, but the sum is coming 24, not 23.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. It's coming like that.
It's coming 24.
Yes, ma'am. But we need to make 23.
Just a minute.
Yes, ma'am. 5 plus 12 plus 7. Ma'am, in the right side, write 16, 5 and 3.
16, 5
5
and 3.
and 3.
Okay.
23.
It's 23.
It's 24. It's 24.
Okay,
Yes,
we
ma'am.
are changing it to 24. अच्छा, अब आप 24 करके बताओ how you are going to do this 24. ये तो नहीं होगा ना 24 बच्चा.
Yes, ma'am.
Can we do it in this way? 7 and 3, 24. And 7 plus 5 is 12. 12 and then we write 12 here to make 24. So our 3 is done, 7 is done.
Ma'am, but
12 is
when
done.
we will add 14 and 12, it will be 26.
Maybe some mistakes in the numbers. I will give you the numbers different. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm really confused.
No, they may be it's a printing mistake. No, I am giving you the numbers. You can use that numbers.
And if we do both the sides, then it's right. But on the other side, it comes again.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
20. Ma'am, 25 is done.
25 is done.
Yes, ma'am.
So do it.
You can do 26.
Do it
26 is not done.
26. To do it 26. So when it is a 14 written here, 14 plus 7, 21. 21 plus, write 5 here.
Ma'am, equals to.
And
Ma'am,
then
equals to 28, ma'am.
10, 20, wait a minute. Okay, you completely erase it. I'm going to give you the different sum.
Ma'am, 20.
Erase this completely. I'm going to give you the different sum.
Ma'am,
Maybe because of the... Yes?
Ma'am, the whole scene.
Now I'm giving you the different sum. Wait a minute.
I have to erase whole C1 na.
Whole C1, erase it. Now I'm giving you, use the numbers. In the C1, you can change the use 1 to 9 numbers, and the total should come 20. Use 1 to 9 numbers, total should come 20. Please tell me. C1, erase it and do this one in place of the C1. 1 to 9 numbers. 1 to 9 numbers हम कर चुके हैं. 1 to 9 and the total should come 20.
No, but we have done the 21. There is no upper than 9 number in the 21.
Use the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Out of these numbers, use the numbers and get the 20.
Ma'am, may I say?
Yes, please tell me this line total.
Yeah, there will be 4, 7, then 9, I think. No, at the down one 4, and the between 7 and the upper 9.
4, yeah, here 4.
Yeah, and
4,
upper 7, upper 7 and then 9.
So 9, 16, 20. Okay. Now tell me this line total. So our 7 is done, 9 is done, and the 4 is done. Okay. Now tell me the two other digits we can put here so that it should come. Yes, Dijita Singh, please tell me.
9, then 8, then 1.
9, 8, it was 16, 17. 17, and then here 1, how 1 will come? 3.
No, 3 will
Great,
come.
and 3 will come. So what I will write here the next number so that it will come 20.
Ma'am, it is. Ma'am, we have to write upper 3 and down 8. Or we have to don't write 8 and.
Now 8 plus 4 is 12, already done. So what next number you will
Ma'am,
write?
6. Ma'am, 6.
No, if 6 you will write, then it will be 18.
Ma'am, so we have to write here 5 and 6.
And then the 7, then the 4 will go on 7th place and the 7 will go on 4th place.
7 plus 7, 14, and then we will write 5 here. Clear?
It was really confusing today.
It is not confusing, bacha. It's a trial and error method.
Ma'am,
There is no rule. You first have to try, and then you. That's why you always do this with the pencil. Okay. We do more sums. Don't do the sums which I have given you. We will discuss in the class. Okay. And I will send you the worksheet based on the concept which we have done. The rest remaining sums which you have already written in the notebook, don't complete them. I will teach you in the class in the next class. Clear? Okay. Thank you, students.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Bye.